So, hello everyone. Welcome to the live backtesting session. Today, I will introduce the backtesting session, the backtesting tool we use. This is our metric page where we can filter the trades based on the rank, the day, the month, and the interval. While on ES, the sweep type if it's a high time frame or lower time frame, and the V shape, the number of candles that form the convergence. And also you can filter trades based on tags like searching for news like filter. We had 40, 40 trade, 30 win. The new setup is a high probability setup that has about, yeah. Okay, now we're going to database. In the database, we have all the trades marked in here with the screenshot link from my drive, so that way we can't lose the link or the screenshot. Here we had all the trades of August, July, June. So the last trade was to June. Today we're going to backtest May, and let's see. First thing, I'm gonna check the sessions highs and lows. Asia high gone, Asia low gone, London high. All we have is London low to target. Use it like drawn liquidity. As you see, we have news here at 8:30. Price took the news high and targeted the news low. I'm sure there will be a 15-second or 30-second trade short in here. Our session starts at 9:20. These 2 minutes in here. Yeah. Price inversed that 3 at this point. That 3 minute is not valid. So we're gonna wait for the 2 minutes. Yeah, validated. No trade for us there. London low just got tripped. So we're expecting some bullish price action from that, at least a bullish reaction. Price invert this 1 minute. Target 3R. Our break-even level is here. Our break-even now. We have TP. That's our first TP. Copy link. We had an SMT in these lows. You see, long NQ took this low in here. ES didn't. So that's an SMT. The trade was outside the macro window. We had higher time frame liquidity. Are we delivering from anything? Yeah. We had delivery from a 1 hour gap. So there was May, the 1 minute time frame. We had delivery, sweep, higher time frame, and we had SMT, no macro. Is the trade valid on ES? Let's see. The 945, 945, yeah. ES also converted this 1 minute gap, so the trade is also valid on ES. Yeah. Now the candles that form the inversion, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. This setup was an A plus setup. Submit. We had this 4 minute. Gonna go check 4 minute time frame. We had this 4 minute in here. Our break even level is here. Entry in here. We are the second one. For the second one, price delivered from this 5 minute in here. Swap this buy side liquidity. The trade was inside the macro time window, and yeah, we don't have an SMT. No SMT. It's all right. For the V shape, it was 3 candles that formed this inversion, and the trade wasn't valid on ES at this time. ES was still respecting this 4 minute gap. Trade on 4 minutes. We had delivery, sweep, and macro. The sweep was of a higher time frame, a 15 minutes high. The trade wasn't valid on ES. We had only three candles to form the V shape. The trade was A plus and 3 hour. Here's the link. Submit. Going back to the 1 minute. We have this gaps in here. I think we maybe have to trade on the 4 minute. Yeah. Price converted this 4 minute. It was a valid gap. After sweeping this low and sweeping the previous daily, no, it's the previous daily high, sorry, but we swept this 1 hour low in here. We'll go with 25 points. Yeah, try 25 points here, or that's let's make it 50 points. So we can risk only one contract, and the target is 2 hour. Our break-even level is this one. And yeah, it's our third win. I can't believe how easy the price action was in me. So we have now SMT delivering from higher fair value gap. We swept from higher time frame, set some liquidity in here, and the trade wasn't inside the macro. So only delivery and sweep. Trade was 4 minutes. We had delivery and sweep. A higher time frame. So the trade valid on ES. Let's check that. Same 20. Now the trade wasn't valid on ES, but it was on NQ. No. The trade was a B plus trade. Of course, we have now V-shaped recovery. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles. We made 3 hour. No, sorry, it was 2 hour because we had like 15 points stop loss. Submit. Oh, the date still on the 1st May. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. We're inside the macro window. Uh, we're not inside the time frame to value gap. Let's check the 1 hour. We had an SMT on the 1 hour. Yeah. The time frame SMT. 4 hours. SMT was also 4 hours. I think we have a 4 minute inversion in here. Yeah, these combined 4 minutes. We have no, don't have much context. I'm sure that it's gonna work, maybe, but don't have context. Yeah, it worked. Worked. If we took that, it's a win for sure. Anyway, we tapped into this 15, 15 minutes VG. Mhm. Another 15 minutes bullish FVG. Price, don't react on that. And it's already 12:10, so session ends here. We'll go check the next day. Two. So on May 2, we have this news up at 8:30. Yeah. Alright. We mark it, maybe we'll target it later. So in this day, we're gonna start our session, trading session at 8:30, not not as usual at 9:20, because the news creates high volatility. So price swept the high. We have this 1 minute and the 2 minute fair value gap. Let's see if price disrespect the 2 minutes. No, I didn't. That's okay. Oh wait, we had winning trade in here. Price mitigated this bullish 5 minute in here, inverts this 1 minute, and it was valid. Yeah, yeah, it's a win. We can build the trend conversion. The trade was valid on ES, and we had only the delivery. And yeah, we are inside the macro. So delivery and macro. May 2 Friday. Based on our data, Friday is the best day to trade. Delivery and macro. Yeah, valid. 3 candles. Setup is B rank. Matriarch. Submit. Good. That's oh, no. What's the problem? Let's try that again. 2, 5, delivery, macro. Okay. Let's continue. Price swept the previous daily high. We can expect a bearish reaction from there. We have this one, 3 minutes, 3 minutes fair value gap. Let's go to 3 minutes. Yeah, we have a 3 minutes in here. That market execute, sell contracts, so you can risk 1 hour, 1 hour, and that's $100. Our break-even level is here. Break-even trade. Well, we had a great trade. Price mitigated this higher time frame gap in here. Swept all this side liquidity. Maybe you expected this 5 minute in here, and we got a great reaction. Yeah, I go with 3 contracts with this momentum. I will market execute. We are, yeah, so in. Let's delete this break-even trade. This win was also valid on ES. We had delivery, we had sweep, the trade was yeah, it was inside the macro, and for the SMT, Let's check. Yeah, we had an SMT and Q swap this low, and ES didn't. It's an A plus plus setup. لا يمكنك الاكتفاء بأغنيتك المفضلة؟ لا عليك سوى تنزيل. A2, 1 minute time frame. We had delivery. We had the sweep of lower time frame liquidity with an SMT. It was inside the macro. It was valid on ES. Three candles V shape. We made like link trade. Yeah, May price action was so clear. 1 and 2 minute fair value gaps in here. Swap this liquidity. Here we have another. After sweeping the sell side in here, price disrespected this 1 minute. Uh, let's 10 hours, 10 points, 10 points, 5 contracts. This high in here, 3 hour. Another one. See guys how easy the strategy. Price swept this higher time frame liquidity delivered from this higher time frame fair value gap, disrespected this one, and we had no SMT. Yeah, let's check this. Yeah, we had E and Q swept this low, and ES didn't. One ES swept it. No SMT. Yeah, we had only the sweep, the delivery, and the macro window. Trade on the 1 minute. Yeah, as I said, Friday is our most profitable day. Every sweep trade valid on a 9 valid on rules. We have sniper TV. There's a coin in here, and yes, only that doesn't matter. Let's see if we get another trade. Like this 1 and 2 minutes. The trade is on the 1 minute. We have to wait We need to fail. And yet, yeah, failed, but it's liquidity, so the trade is not valid. We had also one. This one is a valid trade to take. Three contracts. Yeah, it's a break even. And yet, so price is respecting this 3 minutes. Yeah, and go to the 3 minutes here. 25 points, two contracts. This one, yeah, I think this one closed above the conversion, so it's a loss. Or let's trade. Trade was also valid on the years. Maybe price respected this 4 minute gap on years. In this trade, we had no delivery. The price is not in the macro window. We had only there was an SMT and no SMT, yeah, no SMT, nothing, only the sweep. This trade is a C rank setup, and in the team we won't take that, but we collect data about it, so we can be sure why we don't take it. Friday, 3 minute, we had only the sweep, a high time frame sweep, sweep. Was yes. Candles. It was shape, of course. One, two, three, four, five, six candles. It was a V shape. Sorry. Next one. Seven. Going back to the 1 minute time frame. Our first loss. Yeah, we have also after that trade in here, but let's check trade. Let's check if trade is had an SMT. Take this. We had no, yeah, no SMT. I'm not taking it because it's lower time frame liquidity. I need more context. Still SMT. So I'm not really interested in that trade. However, 1 minute, there's trade in here. We have this 1 minute. It's a C setup. As I said, we don't take this kind of setups in the group, in the team, but we we save them on our database. and use the filter to see our real results. Yeah, it's loss, and it's a C rank trade that you avoid real market, of course. Right, 2 minute and next oh, recovery, and the trade was valid on ES, and we had like minus 1.2 shot. So now we have to stop trading for today because we had two consecutive losses. And let's check Monday. September, May, Friday, Monday, 5 May. Nine. Monday, no news. We don't trade Monday on the team, but always have data about it. We don't trade Monday for a reason. We check our metrics page. Let's see Monday. See Monday, the win rate is 50%. We had only 10R in 3 months, maybe. Comparing it to a Friday that has about 76% win rate and made over 70, 17R one day, it's better to avoid it. So it is Monday. Here, our session starts in here. Nice opening. We did all this in this 2 minutes. So check 2 minute time frame. Yeah, not yet. Didn't invert this one yet. And validated. Let's go back to it. Nice, nice. We swept all these lows in here, and we have beautiful SMT. Inverted this 1 minute, this one, and we have a 2 minute. converted also that the trade this one. Let's go with 16 points. Yeah, our break-even level is here. We're already in the trade. Yeah, we are break-even now. Let's see if it's a TP. No. Yeah, it's a break-even trade. We swept low, respected this, and converted a 2 minute in here, and that's a setup in here. Yeah. And our break even is here. The break even 16 points. So I can risk 3 contracts. That's $100 risk. And it's a win, ladies and gentlemen. Trade was also valid on PS. We had like another lower time frame SMT between these lows. PS swept this low. Thank you. Didn't. We respected also this bullish 5 minute FVG here, and we price was inside. That means this is an A plus plus setup. May 3. Oh, 5. 5, yeah. 2 minute delivery from a 5 minute sweep of a lower time frame. Yeah, and we had an SMT inside the macro. Trade was valid. Yes. 3 candles that formed a virgin and yeah, 3 off. Sorry. Back to the 1 minute. Price still respecting these FVGs. I'm still reflecting this 5 minute also. بخوض هذه التجربة الممتعة إلى الموسيقى بدون إعلانات وإلى المحتوى المفضل لديك بأي ترتيب المزيد من خلال النقر على البنات. Respect 5 minutes and converted the 2 minute. Yeah, respecting this and converting this. That's a valid trade, of course. No, it closed just below. Yeah, that trade. Nothing. So we have this beautiful 2 minutes in here. Yeah. We have it an SMT between these lows. We're also respecting maybe this 3M in here. Yeah, inside 4 minutes, 4 hours gap. We converted this one. So I like the momentum in here. Oh, just 10 points. Target 3R high. And I go break even maybe earlier. An early break even. Because my TP is my break level. Ooh, so in. Let's mark that. Copy the link. As I said, we had delivery, we had an SMT in the minus sweep, and the trade wasn't inside the macro. The trade was valid on ES, and three three candles formed the conversion. May 5, 2 minutes, we had delivery, sweep of low time. LTF liquidity with an SMT. Trade was valid on ES, 3 candles, 3 off. That's all. Submit. Yeah, saved. We still have some price action for Monday. Yeah, it's Monday and it's plus 6 hour. Yeah, May was beautiful. August price action made me actually forget about how price was beautiful during the whole year. This 1 minute price swept a higher time frame liquidity. We had 3 and 4 minutes in here. Price this maybe let's try to minutes. Not yet. Now we have 5 minutes. Price respected 5 minutes. We have new leg. Yeah, we have new leg and a 1, 2, 3 minutes with 2 minutes. Price converted. These combined 2 minutes in here, but we have to make sure closed also below 3 minutes. So closed below 3 minutes in there. 25 points. Targeting VR, of course. And our break-even level is so close here. Yeah. Are we? Yeah, it's a break-even trade. It's a break-even. This candle. That's the break-even level. And this one. That's our entry. So it's a break-even trade. Yeah. Next. We price swept this minor low, delivered from these these 2 minute bearish gaps. 10 points, 3R, and the break-even level. For break-even, yeah, it's a break-even. It's a break-even. So, do we have an SMT? Yes. And you swap this low? Yes, didn't. And we have this 1 minute converted in here, 16 points. So, and risk contracts. We are, and the break-even level. It's a break-even. The problem with trading Monday, there's volatility. Yeah, that's uh, the last macro window. Let's see if we can find the trade in there. And no, no trade. Maybe no, that wasn't valid. Mark in here. So it wasn't valid. For Monday we had only two wins. Only it's 6R, means $60 account. Some people make that in maybe a month. May 6, 9. So where do we have today? 8:30 news. We have 8:30. Yeah, maybe. No, I don't think that's anyway. If it is, it's a nice trade. Price swept of the candle, and targeted the high. I don't have the second time frame in here, so can't really check that. I swept this, respected the higher time frame. Yeah, left it little gaps in here. The gaps were tiny gaps. minutes. Yeah, invalid. Ooh, nice price action. See, price converted at 5 minutes. We have conversion. Yes, this it's combined at 5 minutes. 16 points. 3 off there. And yeah, break even trade. Break even trade. Couldn't add. Hmm? Price swap. Higher time frame. Converted this 1 minute. Valid. We have these big 5 minutes. I'm not going to take a trade from them, of course. This one, yeah, valid. Anyway, 2 minutes invalidated in here. Trade for us there. I think 2 minutes. Okay. No confluences. Price wasn't reflecting any bullish value gaps. So no trade. And here we have no SMT. Here we have a bullish SMT. Those didn't. 3 minutes. Yeah. Um, price converted at 3 minutes. And a 3 minute inversed. And our break-even level break-even trade as this is 4 minutes and 5 minutes on that. Only have 3 minutes. Uh, um, combined 1 minute here. Price closed below 18, 25 contracts and We are targets. We are already even. And it's not break even yet. Price just dropping. It's a break even trade, and we're on for today. For today, we had no trades, only break even, no losses, and no loss. Oh, 7 June, May, and Wednesday, 9, and yeah, check our sessions. Price swept London high, Asia low. We have Asia high, still not. I don't really use bias in my trading, but I have to check the draws on liquidity and sessions highs and lows are strong draws on liquidity. So we have 5 minutes in here. Price is still respecting it. Inverted 1 minute and this one. If we invert the second one, we respected that 1 minute. We have another 1 minute combined in here. These prices are still respecting this 5 minute and this 1 minute in here. So we have trade. That's a signal. The trade is maybe a B, maybe a B plus or B setup trade. Cause yeah, 3R. We had only swept this minor liquidity in here and respecting this higher time frame fair value gaps. And what I don't like about this trade is the next candle is the opening candle, high volatility. So I'm going to put a hard stop loss in there, and I'm going break even if we hit this low here. Top, yeah, really nice. So it's our 3R. Let's mark that. May 7th, the 1 minute time frame. We had delivery and sweep. No SMT. Yeah, no SMT. The trade wasn't valid on ES, and we had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 candles that formed the conversion. No lower time frame. 8 candles. The setup is a B plus. We made 3R. Bank submit and save this screenshot to our database on succeed. It was cool. It takes 2 minutes, but I'm not sure if it's valid or not. No, it's not valid. This, but yes, yes, didn't. So this one here, that's not empty. Have a first did this 1 minute. This one wanna go. So 16 points. Wrong. That's our break-even level. Yeah, we're in. We're break-even. Keep going. Yeah, it's break-even. Not bad. The price action seems so choppy. It's Wednesday, guys. Nothing is clear. We're currently respecting this big 5 minute in there. We inverted this tiny 4 minutes, but it wasn't valid based on my rules. No, damn. I wish that 4 minute was valid. Anyway, had like this massive sell off. 1 minute, 2 minutes, respected. But another higher time frame. Side. 1 minute, combined 1 minute, 2 minutes. Let's 2 minute time frame. Let's see. Yeah, we did that. And maybe go with 5 points. This one. No. And I will target 3 or 3 or. Oh, what the hell is that? Yeah, I don't know if it's break-even or loss or red. Do we have the seconds? No, we don't have seconds. So, what do you think, guys? Okay, what should mark this trade? Okay, maybe it's consider that loss. Let's consider it loss. It's we didn't lose any trade in a while. So just for the sake of backtesting, why May 7th, 2 minutes. We had delivery, we had sweep of high time frame, we had no SMT, yeah, no SMT, and we wasn't inside the macro, so only delivery and was the trade wasn't valid on ES. ES was still respecting a lot of gaps. And on the 2 minutes semi candles that formed the averaging, four candles. Four candles. The setup was a B plus setup, and then let's say that trade hit our max stop loss, our hard stop loss. So let's mark it like -2 trade. Admit. Nothing. Yeah, nothing. This, yeah, we had maybe a break-even trade in a short trade in here. Now we have the 3 minute, the 3 minute valid. That 25 points. Our break-even level. Oh, it's already break-even. Sorry. Yeah, this that candle to this candle high. So it's already break-even. And nothing, and it's 12 then our session ends here. The next day, May 8th. For the sessions, price swept London high, Asia high, London low not yet, and Asia low not yet. So we had like 8:30 news, yeah. We had 8:30 news, played well. Price swept the news low and targeted the news high. Oh, sorry, not trading. This one was invalid. Was invalid. Lincoln, yeah, swept London low. Now we're looking for price after sweeping London low. 3 and 4 minutes. Now we have 1 minute. It's a valid trade, of course. 10 points. 3 or break-even level. Yeah, it's a -1. No S&T. Yeah, no S&T. Price. Respecting high time frame gaps. May 8 on the 1 minute via delivery and minor sweep, no SMT, and price was inside the macro window. The trade was valid on ES and 4 candles. The setup was B plus and made -1. So let's continue. Respected 1 minute. Now we have a 5 minute. No, still 1 minute in here. No delivery, no nothing. Price. Let's see. 5 minutes. It wasn't valid. 3 minutes. It respected. 1 minute. We have these combined 1 minute. 25. We're break even. Yeah. And it's or let's start 3 or 3 or yeah, it's break even trade. Break even. We have 4 minutes. Gap that respected. Maybe now it's inverted that gap. 4, let's go with 5. target is break-even level. Yeah. So when my break-even level is far, I go break-even on lower time frame liquidity. See, I use this last 2 minutes gap to go break-even. So the trade now is this short here is invalid. This one even valid, but even anyway. So some sell side, we have 1 minute, didn't yet. Yeah, invalid. At this 3 minutes there, yeah, this I'm yeah, that's unfortunate. Like great, maybe you can catch 3 second trade in there. So unfortunately, that what minute was invalid. It's a great trade, and this is the last macro. And we can get anything in that last macro. We have the 2 minutes and a 1 minute. The 2 minute was valid here. And we're in here. 5 points. So I can risk 10 contracts. I'm already break even this trade, of course. And it's away. But it's a C setup. As I said, we don't take this in premium community. That's too risky for us. 8 2 minutes. We had only delivery and sweep and delivery and macro. Do we have any SMTs? Let's check. No SMTs. Yeah, only delivery and macro. The trade wasn't valid on ES and had like 3, 6, 9 candles. 030. That's the link. Yep. Let's do it again. 8, 8, 9. So the last day of the week, Friday. Uh, it has in the same tea, two candles. Maybe I didn't see that, George. I'll check that later, and if there is an SMT, I'll add it to the database. We need our data to be precise, of course. So what do we have here at 7:26? Giant candle. I'm not sure if that was used candle, but a candle like that, I'm gonna trade it, of course. That candle took all the sessions, highs and lows. Yeah, we still have yellow. So I'm gonna mark the high and the low of the range. And I'm gonna be aggressive when trading. 1 minute. We have 2 minutes, tiny 2 minutes. And we have like a hidden SMT. Yeah, ES didn't sweep this candle. And NQ did. 3 minutes and 2 minutes. I'll put some risk on that. We are break-even level in here. Break-even. Yeah, break-even trade. Oh yeah. We have another. Yeah, here we go. Another trade. 3 minutes. 20 points. TP. There wasn't TP actually. Oh no, it is. So that's how you trade. Oh sorry, get to cover the IFVG. That's how you trade news. One was break even, and this one was a winning trade. That has only delivery. No sweep, no SMT, nothing. It's C. But I I would take this trade just because it's a new setup. May Friday, 3 minutes. We had only delivery, and the setup was let's not valid on ES 369. it's more than 10. The PNL was 3 hour. Link, submit. Let's go to the 1 minute and wait for maybe this high to get swept. We had like this 5 minutes, but I'm not sure. I think it's invalid. It was invalid. Price market opened right there. Disrespected this 5 minutes. Yeah, disrespected this 5 minutes. Let's check. Yeah, disrespected, but yeah, we had the delivery. We had delivery from this this bullish 5 minutes in there. So go with 10 points. Let's start with the data highs. But our break-even level is too far, so check the lower time frames to go break-even. Want to have an early break-even. Know what I'm going to do. I'll go break-even once inverse this 1 minute. Already tapped into that. So not bad. Let's try. What the hell? Oh, news at 10 a.m. Didn't see that coming. New 10 a.m. now. Just a massive sell-off. So the trade, this one hit our max stop loss. We had an SMT also. We had an SMT. It was a nice setup. It was a nice setup, but it didn't work. We had delivery, sweep, and SMT, and we are also inside the macro. That's an A++ setup, but it didn't work. May 9, 5 minutes. We had an SMT, sweep, delivery, sweep time frames. This setup was valid on ES and had like 4 candles. 4 5 candles that formed the conversion. We had -2R and here's the link. After this trade, we lost majority of the profit we made by this one. Check the 1 minute again. So price went down, swept more sell side. Uh, oh, I didn't notice that we had this 4 minutes. Don't have much. Yeah, we don't have influences. Yeah, I saw that, Yosh. We had it short, but there's no sweep, no delivery, no SMT, nothing that can make me take this short in here. But it was a valid short, that a huge short. Price swept there, some important liquidity. We still have AGLOs below. Swept AGLO. Now I'm looking for longs. We have 5 minutes. That 5 minute was valid after sweeping AGLO. So I'm going to take this 5 minutes, 12 points, and target is 3R. Uh, that's a win. Let's check that. If it's 5 minutes in a 14, I go at 16. It's not a loss in real market. As you know, we don't use a stop loss. We only close the trade if we cannot close that below. But if you use any less than 16, maybe it's a loss. Let's see if it hits 32. No, it didn't. So it's a win for the break-even level. But this trade, I'm not sure of it. I have to check the 15 minutes. Yeah, we wasn't respecting any 15 minutes. So the trade is valid. It's a winning trade. ES also swept AGLO, so there's no SMT. And the trade was inside the macro. We had like three candles that formed the conversion. This candle wasn't respecting any fair value gaps on ES, so the trade was also on ES. 5 minutes, May Friday 9. We had delivery. Let's see. Yeah, price tapped into this 4 minute, 4 hours gap and reversed. So we had delivery, we had sweep of a higher time frame, we don't have SMT, Price was inside the macro, it was valid on ES. We had three candles that formed convergent. The setup was an A plus setup that made 3R and this one. Let's go back to the 1 minute time frame. Now, what do we have? Yeah, 5 minutes, a 5 minute trade. Price respected the 5 minute gap. Oh, no trade. We have this 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute, but it's a C setup. We have complete delivery. And let's do the 16 points. Yeah, three contracts. We are break even at 3 hour. See, break even yet. Oh, damn. It's like made like 2.7 hour, but it's break even. It is what it is. We have now this 2 and 3 minutes gap in here. The 3 minute was invalid. The 2 minutes didn't invert yet. Let's wait for it. Invert there. 25 points. Break even level is there. Target 3R. For the confluences, yeah, we don't have any confluences. Our price respected this 2 minute? No. So it's not a valid trade to take. This Friday is choppy because we had that massive sell-off. It's our last macro, and we had the win. Yeah, these combined 2 minutes in here. Valid. And we had minor sweep plus SMT. NQ didn't sweep this high. ES did. Plus setup. And now we were also respecting these gaps in here. And we were inside the macro. Yes, it's an A++. Yeah, it's an A++ setup. We had a win at the last macro. This trade candles. The trade was valid also on, no, it wasn't valid on ES. ES already swept, or it was valid on NQ, and we have all influences. So this trade is a valid trade, and it's the last trade in our session. 9, Friday 9, 1 minute. We had all the confluences. Time frame sweep, SMT, macro, wasn't valid on ES, was 6 candles, a V trade, made 3R. That's the link and submit. Now we have backtested the 7 days from May. So let's check the analytics. Choose May, apply filter. We had like 17 trades, 12 trades was a win, 5 trades loss. We made about 27R and our win rate was above 17%. You know, guys, what it means to make 27R in 1 week. Our maximum drawdown was 3R. Our largest loss was 2R. That's cumulative PNL. Consecutive wins 5, consecutive losses we had 2. I get 2 in the same day, so we stop trading. Yeah, it's got like yours. Setups, the A++ setups, we had only 2 A++, 100% win rates, made 6R, the A pluses setups, 6 trades, 83, and the C setups was 33. So now let's check the filters. We don't trade Monday and we don't take C and B setups. Apply filter. We had only like 10 trades, 7 wins, 3 losses, 17% win rates, and we made like 15 R. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in the premium questions channel, or if you are not premium member, you can ask any question you have in the general channel. Thank you for watching.